If you found a stone which has a really soft and smooth surface, is good for painting on it, then prepare it. Wash it first with dishwasher soap and hot water, so it's really clean. Let it dry. Preparing the stone. Isopropyl alcohol 70%. I usually use alcohol isopropyl 70% to clean the stone from all the oily surfaces or whatever, and also the acrylic color lasts much better. These are the things you need. A stone with a soft, smooth surface, prepared, washed with alcohol, dried. You need some of those brush covers, for example. Then very fine pencils, very fine, it's a 0. Here it is. And another one with a longer brush, but the same size. Where it is, here, 0. Then we have basic colors like Payne's Gray for the shadow. Here there is mixed lamp black and oxide black from Amsterdam. And this is titanium white, also from Amsterdam. You need something to mix it. Some Q-tips you can find here, and water. Then the resident colors like violet. And here is a very important pearl white. You can see pearl white. Yes, this is pearl white. And here I decided also to use the iridescent blue. And I also have isopropyl alcohol 70%, mostly to clean, or also sometimes if I have a not a good result, then I can take a Q-tip and take a little bit of alcohol and rub it away. And at the end, I use this sort of varnish. This is, you can use any sort of spray varnish with UV protection. Here it's better to see, right? It's semi-matte. And, well, if you need some more brushes. Here I have a cardboard I've used already because of this alcohol bottle. I use indeed we call it deckel. I don't know the English word for that. And so I use that to dip it into the black later on and to test it here. So that's for now.